For the first step, we're going to head over to search and type in Registry Editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. Once we're on it, we're going to expand HKey local machine, then we're going to expand software, then you want to find your graphics card manufacturer. So for me, I've got nvidia, for you it might be Intel or AMD. Whichever one that you find, we're going to expand it. Then we're going to right click on the folder, and then click on new, then click on key. Then you want to name the new key as GMM, and click on enter. Once you do that, we're going to click on the GMM folder, then we're going to click on any blank space right here, click on new, and then click on dword 32-bit value. Then we're going to rename this as dedicated segment size, and click on enter. Once you do that, we're going to double click on it. Then I'm going to put something on screen right now, which will tell you what you should make the value data. So for me, in my case, I've got 16 gigabytes of RAM, so I'm going to make the value data 4096, and click on OK. For the last step, we're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to expand display adapters, then we're going to right click on our graphics card and click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. If the best driver has been installed, now you want to restart your computer, and then your VRAM will be increased.